What's up, my friends? Well, I'm already starting to pack for this cruise and love these packing cubes, but I'm the worst at overpacking. Now, I'm not talking about overpacking like I need 20 shirts here and 20 pairs of shorts here and 30. I said on the last time, if you're going on a cruise, it's probably one cruise tip. If you can do laundry on the boat, you don't have to pack for clothing for every day. I mean, if you're going a 5-dayer, yeah, you could do that. 14-dayer, just pack for 7 or 8 days. You don't have to pack 14 things. You don't. You can do laundry on the boat. I get my laundry provided because I am platinum status with Carnival Cruise Lines. Now, here's the bag. If you can see this bag right here, let's see something here. Let's see if you can see the bag. This was the kind of bag that I hoped would be a carry-on. Nah, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna be too fat and just a little too tall. It's supposed to be, I think, 20 inches high. They cracked down on the carry-on stuff. Because I used to carry on with this bag and they let me do it. And sometimes it didn't have room, so they said, let us put it under it and we'll hand it to you when you get off the plane right here at the door, which I thought that was cool. You didn't have to pay for a carry-on. And even when they weren't charging for carry-ons, I was doing this and they were doing that. So. But these, my friends, are the packing cubes. See, I got all these shirts. In this particular cube, I've got t-shirts and those little button-down I guess you call them Hawaiian shirts. I don't know. They're just button-down shirts. Short sleeve button-down shirts. And this is the big one. It's got shorts, bathing suits, and t-shirts in it. Look at that. It's pretty thick. I couldn't even zip the outside zipper to compress it anymore because it was pretty thick. So that's one. And then you've got some other stuff in this little one. And I have other packing cubes here. Thing is, when I get these in here, I still need to get your flip-flops, your shoes, my CPAP. I sleep with a CPAP. I don't know if I ever mentioned that. That's another thing I'm going through right now. I had to get my CPAP replaced, so they had to go through a whole sleep test. And the sleep doctor, I was like, could y'all do this before the first of the year? I really need to get this CPAP. My CPAP machine, after 9 years, if you sleep with the CPAP, you're going to experience that. Is the end of life of the motor is going to come about and you have to replace the machine. Odds are the machine's probably okay, but they love to say, okay, let's cut it at 9 years and sell them another machine. So who knows? But I was born with this big neck thanks to my grandfather, and that's the reason why I sleep with a CPAP machine. I had started doing that back in 9 years ago to be exact, because that's how long it's been. So, but these packing cubes are cool. I still need to get a couple of pairs of blue jeans that I'm gonna take with me, and a couple other things. I don't know. I'm not trying to pack for 14 days, but I may have I got too many t-shirts or I have too much of this. Again, you can do laundry on the boat, so that's where I am with that. Trying to get it packed, folks. We're gonna get it done. That's packing cubes, my friends. They work. It's pretty cool.